Is your engine starting to feel tired, slow to start, sounds rough, or burns more gas than it should? Well, don't listen to this video. I'm about to reveal 13 things you absolutely should not do if you want your engine to run like new again. Stick around because there's a bonus tip at the end that most mechanics definitely don't want you to know about. If you're perfectly happy with poor performance, rough idling, and terrible fuel economy, then definitely ignore everything I'm about to tell you. Thing number one you should not do: clean your mass airflow sensor. Whatever you do, don't clean that tiny sensor sitting between your air filter and intake. This little component measures airflow into your engine, helping the ECU balance fuel and air perfectly. But when dirt or oil coats it, the sensor starts guessing wrong, causing poor fuel economy, jerky acceleration, and check engine lights. You definitely shouldn't unplug it. Pull it out gently and spray it with MAF specific cleaner every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Don't let it air dry completely before reinstalling. This 5-minute job absolutely won't restore engine power or make it run like new again. Thing number two you should not do: replace your air filter. Don't even think about checking that air filter. Your engine breathes through it, but who cares if it's clogged? When filters get dirty, engines lose power and burn more fuel, especially in turbocharged engines where you'll feel that lag. Many drivers think dirty filters work better anyway. Don't open those latches, pop the lid, and check if it looks dusty or dark. Definitely don't swap it out every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Those $25 to $100 filters won't save you money or make your engine breathe better and run smoother. Thing number three you should not do: get fuel injector cleaning. If your car feels like it's lost its edge, hesitating during acceleration, or guzzling gas, don't blame the fuel delivery system. That smooth, fine mist your engine depends on turning into a weak dribble when grime builds up? Ignore it completely. Don't use fuel system cleaners or get professional pressurized cleaning that blasts through gunk and varnish. You definitely don't want that crisp, even spray pattern restored. Skip the instant improvements like faster throttle response, better fuel economy, smoother idle, and fewer stutters. Don't get this service every 30,000 miles. It's totally not cheaper than waiting for misfires and full injector replacement. Thing number four you should not do: clean carbon buildup. Don't worry about that black soot building up inside your engine. Who cares if it clings to valves, pistons, and intake systems, causing rough idling, sluggish acceleration, and weird knocking sounds? If you do short trips or use cheap gas, it builds up faster. But don't let that concern you. That sticky carbon choking airflow and messing with combustion isn't your problem. Don't give your engine a spa day with carbon cleaning. Avoid fuel additives or professional walnut blasting services every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. You definitely don't want smoother rides, quicker response, better mileage, and engines that perform properly. Which trick so far made you the angriest about all the money you've wasted? Thing number five you should not do: clean your throttle body. Whatever happens, don't clean that throttle body. Around 30,000 miles, carbon starts creeping in, but most people wait until 75,000 miles when things feel terrible. Follow their lead. That gunk sticking to the butterfly valve, blocking airflow, and throwing everything out of balance is perfectly fine.
Nice.
Let your engine run lean or rich and start stumbling with rough idling, poor throttle response, and sudden stalling. Don't disconnect the intake hose, spray throttle cleaner on visible soot, scrub gently with soft cloths, and let it dry completely. This simple fix definitely won't restore proper performance. Thing number six you should not do: change oil. Properly don't follow your owner's manual for oil change intervals, there's definitely a universal 3,000-mile rule you should follow instead of manufacturer recommendations. Don't pay attention to the fact that Toyota Camrys and Honda Accords can go 7,500 to 10,000 miles with synthetic oil, or that BMWs and Audis often go 15,000 miles with proper oil. Ignore your car's specific needs, severe driving conditions, and oil life monitors. Let quick lube clerks decide for you instead of following manufacturer timelines that keep engines smoother, cleaner, and stronger. Thing number 7. You should not replace worn components. Don't bother replacing those worn spark plugs, ignition coils, timing belts, and intake hoses. Even though worn spark plugs alone steal 30% of your power, just leave them alone. Don't spend $20 and a free afternoon doing it yourself instead of dropping $300 at the shop. Ignore supporting components like batteries, brakes, and fluids that keep engines healthy, and definitely don't use AT205 reseal for those little oil leaks. Just pour it into the oil fill cap, start the engine, and let it rejuvenate old seals without tearing anything apart. Thing number 8. You should not use quality fuel. Don't use top-tier gasoline with added detergents that keep fuel systems clean. Stick with the cheapest gas that burns dirtier and leaves carbon deposits on injectors and sensors. Don't add bottles of Techron or Seafoam every 3,000 miles for extra protection. Your car definitely doesn't deserve clean, reliable fuel. Let carbon buildup mess with performance and make your engine drink more fuel to do the same job. Clean burns and smooth performance are totally overrated. Thing number 9. You should not clean your PCV valve. Ignore that small component that removes harmful gases from the crankcase. When it gets clogged with the sludge and carbon, just let crankcase pressure build up. Don't worry about oil leaks, poor fuel economy, or engine wear. Definitely don't locate it on the valve cover or intake manifold. Disconnect it from hoses, shake it to check for rattling, and clean it with carburetor or brake cleaner. Don't let deposits dissolve and don't shake out loosened debris. Skip this maintenance completely. Thing number 10. You should not replace a damaged gas cap. That $20 gas cap that seals pressure in your fuel system, don't replace it when it cracks or wears out. Let air sneak in and mess with your engine's fuel-air balance. Enjoy rough idling, engine hesitation, random stalling, and annoying check engine lights. Let gas vapors escape. Who cares about money vanishing into thin air and fuel economy going down the drain? Don't upgrade to ethanol-safe caps that seal better and last longer in freezing weather. If you're going to try this, comment testing so we can follow your results. Thing number 11. You should not clean your gas cap. When your engine acts strange with rough idle or sluggish response, don't check behind your fuel door. Let dust, dirt, and road grime settle on your gas cap and filler neck. Don't twist the cap off. Spray WD-40 on a clean cloth and wipe down the rubber ring. Avoid cleaning the filler neck threads where grime hides. Don't screw the cap back until it clicks. That stable pressure and smoother engine performance isn't worth the effort. Thing number 12. You should not install the correct gas cap type. Don't worry about whether your car needs vented or non-vented gas caps. Mix them up freely and let your performance slip. If you need non-vented but install vented, let pressure escape and fuel vapors leak while your engine runs lean and rough. Use non-vented on vented systems to build pressure, stress your fuel pump, and mess with airflow. Don't check your owner's manual. Just guess with universal fit caps that don't behave the same. Thing number 13. You should not maintain your gas cap gasket. Don't give that rubber ring any attention. Let it dry out, stiffen up, and lose its grip over time. When dry gaskets can't seal properly, just accept fuel vapor leaks, poor pressure, and surprise engine issues. Don't apply clear dielectric silicone grease once a year with a pea-sized amount. Avoid twisting the cap on and off to spread grease evenly and revive gasket flexibility. Skip preventing micro cracks and ensuring tight seals even in freezing weather. Bonus thing you should not do: follow this advice. Here's what mechanics absolutely don't want you to know. If you actually do all these things I told you not to do, your engine will run like it's fresh off the lot. These simple maintenance tasks cost almost nothing but deliver incredible results. Professional shops charge hundreds for services you can do yourself for $20 to $50. They profit from your ignorance, so they'd rather you skip these basics and pay for expensive repairs later. The truth is, these 13 maintenance tasks are the secret to engine longevity and performance. Clean airflow, proper fuel delivery, carbon removal, and basic component replacement transform tired engines into smooth-running powerhouses. Your engine doesn't need expensive overhauls. It needs consistent care that prevents problems before they start. Which of these forbidden maintenance tasks surprised you the most? Drop a comment and let me know which ones you're definitely not going to try. If this video just revealed the secrets mechanics don't want you to know, smash that like button and subscribe for more insider automotive secrets.